Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you two positions that I took during that week. Also, in the end of the video, I will share with you about my expectations that I have from the market, and that's it. So let's start. Uh, First position that I took, I think it was GBP/USD. I think it was it was GBP/USD. I took that on Tuesday. So here I had break even, and right now I'll show you logic of that position. So if you're looking globally, if you start from daily time frame, then we can see the price moves at bullish order flow, and we can see that on 4-hour time frame here we have long order flow, right? But on daily time frame, this would be just a regular inducement for that buoy, right? And because of that, I understood that we can do like a correction and we can take out that liquidity and we can go and rebalance that fair value gap. And like this is not affecting my global bias because my global invalidation is located here. But on 4-hour time frame, we can see that price invalidated our long order flow, and we created here point of interest. After what, price comes back and it does test of that point of interest. And here I decided to take short position. I understood that this is a bit risky position because I had a 4-hour time frame fair value gap right here, and also I can see that here is created some sort of buoy. So I understood that I may have a resweep here, and I just got break even before the news, and then price went higher, and after that price reached all my targets. So basically just did a resweep, and then we went lower. And on EURUSD, that was my second and that was my last position. I had a stop loss right here. So that week was -1 for me, and sometimes that happens. So I'm not sad, I'm not angry, I'm not anything. I understand that that's the there's a long-term game, and sometimes you may lose. But let's look at the second position I took. So here I have very strong bearish bias, and why I took here long position if I have short bias. And that's the thing. I work with order flow, and the logic of order flow always will be that the price leaves less liquidity than it takes out. So if you see that price left a lot of liquidity and we're moving in order flow, so for example we're moving in short order flow like that, and price leaves a lot of liquidity, this liquidity will be taken out. Yeah, so and here I saw that we are in short order flow, and also I saw that we have fair value gaps right here, and we have like a lot to rebalance. So I understood that we will see a correction, and after I saw that on 15-minute time frame was formed bullish order flow, I was just I wanted to work in that order flow, and here I just got my stop loss because price decided that here is the end of correction, and that's it. I don't see any mistake here, to be honest. Like here's only one thing why this position wasn't so good, and it is that trade of liquidity. But also, even after that trade of liquidity, price did manipulation. even actually two manipulations right here. So it showed that it wanted to grow. So in my opinion, it's not so bad position. And that was it. But let's talk about bias. So if you remember, if you saw a video that I filmed maybe 1 month ago, in that video I said that my target for gold would be that low when we were here, and my target for that short is still that low. So invalidation of that movement would be on that high for me. And right now I want just to see an order flow on lower time frame, and I would like to work in that order flow. If we're talking about British pound, then on British pound I think that we will see a rebalance here, and here I would like to get invalidation of that short, and I would like to take longs, because globally we're still in a long order flow, and I don't think that we will go lower than that point right now. I think that we will get longs, but we'll just have to wait for them a little bit. And more safely, taking longs would be only after an invalidation of those shorts, because you always want to reverse an order flow after it was invalidated. And on EURUSD also I want to get shorts, because here I have my short bias. My invalidation of that movement would be here, and my target would be that compression. But I would like to get candle closure below that level, and after that I would take shorts like more safely. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and follow our other social medias, and see you soon.